Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashi. So guys, today's video is all about a Shein haul. You know guys, like Shein, one of the famous online shopping brand all over the India, not all over the India, all over the world. And I really like their stuff quality and everything in Shein guys. So I have bought many things from Shein, and I will show you few of my favorite outfit from Shein. Not favorite, but I really like those outfits. So without any further ado, let's start. So yes guys, these all are outfit today I'm going to show you. And the first outfit guys, this is a crop top. It has a net sleeves and the ruffle detailing and a polka dot in it. I really love this crop top, and it's a size small. It's in small size, and it fits me very well. Now you can see. And next outfit guys, this shirt. So guys, this is a size in small, and it has these detailing in front. It has a gold button, like a round button in gold color, and I really like the detailing in the collar also, as you can see. And it's a bit long, this shirt, so you can wear it as a dress also. And it has a long sleeves guys. See the sleeves also, it's very long, it's very cute, and it's very transparent. This top is very transparent, so you can wear it with a spaghetti or any tube top and you're good to go. And guys, I have this top, this one. So guys, it has this a mustard color flower print on it. It's in a blue in color, and I really love this top guys. It has umbrella sleeves, as you can see. I will show you, wait. So it has umbrella sleeves. So guys, the neck on this top, it has this zigzag neck, and this neck is very big guys. So if you are comfortable to wearing these kind of neck kind of like t-shirts or dresses, whatever, so it look very cute guys. You can I think you can go for it. It's very cute, and this is a size in small, but yes, I will prefer you to size up, like, you know, because this is a bit small, thoda sa tight for me. So but otherwise it's very cute. And the next what I have, this is a baby pink color a high neck t-shirt. So it has a short sleeves, and it's a size I think medium. Yes, it's a size medium, and I really love this t-shirt guys. Baby pink color, you can pair it with jeans or any shorts. I love it guys. And the next outfit which I have, okay, so I really love this outfit guys. This is a top. It has a umbrella sleeves, like you can see, and a high neck with a ruffle detailing. And guys, I really love the color and the shimmery vibes on it. You can see it has some I think shimmer thread on it, and it looks so cute guys. Like you can pair it with jeans or t-shirt, like anything. And I really love this t-shirt, sorry, top. See, so cute. The last but not the least, this is a army print top guys, t-shirt. I really love this t-shirt guys. It has a net detailing in the front, so as you can see, and it's in size medium, and I really love this t-shirt guys. I mean, it looks so cute, and you can pair it with a tube bra or a nipple tape and you're good to go. It has a small sleeves, and I really love this t-shirt. So yes. And the last, okay guys, so I really love this black color mesh top. So but the problem with this top is I bought this in XL by mistake, but still it looked cute. It is not hard to manage. So the problem is this, like the neck is very big. It has a sweetheart neck, but it is not hard to manage. Like you can adjust this neck and it look very cute guys. And it has this detailing in the front, and from the back it's a plain net. So I really love this top also. You can wear it with a like deep neck bra or yes. And I really love this mesh top. So guys, for today's video, this is it. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, do like and subscribe. And guys, I will meet you in my next vlog. Till then, bye, take care.